In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete search history on Microsoft Edge. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the Microsoft Edge browser on your device. Make sure that you're signed in to your Microsoft Edge account. Now, after that, just go ahead and click on the three buttons at the top right corner of your screen. And in here, just go ahead and click on the settings to be able to head over to the settings page of your Microsoft Edge. And here, just go ahead and click on privacy search and services, which is below the profiles section. So just go ahead and click on this, and this will redirect you into this section. So in here, just go ahead and scroll down. Now once you scroll down in this section, you'll be able to find this delete browsing data section. So just go ahead and click on the choose what to clear to be able to delete your browsing data. So in this section, you can just check all the check boxes that applies for you, along with setting the time range for the browsing data that you want to delete for your Microsoft Edge history. So in here, just click on the clear now button and you'll be able to delete your Microsoft Edge search history. And that's how you can simply delete your Microsoft Edge search history. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.